Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show how you can easily use the thumbnail test and compare feature for your videos. For this you need to open the YouTube Studio through Chrome and go to the uploaded videos and scroll down to where the thumbnail option is. And the third one over there will be the test and compare option. When you click on it, you will get to upload 3 different thumbnails. So I have already made 3 different thumbnails, and to upload, click on the first blank box and it will take you to your files and you can choose which thumbnail you wish to upload first. Click on that thumbnail and it will be uploaded to the first box, and in a similar manner you need to upload on the second and third boxes also. If your thumbnail is too large, you can use any app to compress it so that it gets uploaded easily. Once all the 3 thumbnails have been uploaded, click on the done button and the 3 thumbnails will be saved. And now let me take you back to the video and show you that this video is unlisted. I have not yet made it public, so if you keep the video unlisted, then when you go back to the thumbnail test, and you will see that the thumbnail test will not run. So this is an important thing, that the thumbnail test will only run if you make the video public. Otherwise it's not going to start. So the next step will be, you have to go and make the video public. So let me just make it public so that we can see how the thumbnail test starts running. So I'm going back and I'm going to make it public. Over here I went and I changed the unlisted to public. And now let me take you back to the video and show you how the thumbnail test and compare starts running. So you have to again click on the video and then you have to scroll down to where the thumbnail test and compare option is, and over here you can see the thumbnail test has started running, which means that these 3 different thumbnails will be shown to different people, and based upon how they are going to click on it and how long they are going to watch and other factors, the thumbnail will be selected, whichever one will show the best result. So you can know more details by clicking on it, and over here YouTube has also given details on about this test. So you can go through this if you wish to. If you wish to know on how your thumbnail test is running, you can see that by clicking on the analytics and then click on the reach option, and over there you will see your thumbnail test results, and the details can be seen over here. Like initially I am not having any data over here, but after some time when you click again, you have to go to the analytics and then click on the reach, and on the right hand side you will see the 3 thumbnails, and you will also see some percentage, that how much percentage each one is getting. And in this manner you can also manage the test. If you want to stop the thumbnail test, then you can click on whichever thumbnail you wish to keep and you can stop the test. You can also give the feedback to YouTube about this thumbnail test, like I'm doing over here. So in this manner you can test and compare, but still you have the option of thumbnail in your hands. If you want, you can allow the test to continue running. It will take some days and the final thumbnail might be selected if there is a clear-cut winner, and if you wish to stop it, you can stop it immediately and select any thumbnail. So over here this was one video which I had made before. So in this video the second thumbnail was the winner. Usually I choose which I think is the best thumbnail as the first one, but over here the second one was the winner, and in this video the first one was the winner. It was a clear-cut winner, so it got selected as the thumbnail. And sometimes it happens that there is no clear-cut winner, like in this one, then the first thumbnail gets selected. And in this video also you can see the thumbnail test is running, and day by day the value keeps changing. Sometimes some thumbnail gets a little bit more, and once the test is completed. So over here for this video you can see that there is no clear-cut winner, but the second thumbnail was the preferred one, so that becomes visible to public. If you want, you can manage the test and set any thumbnail as the preferred one, and that will be set as I'm doing over here. If you want, you can make thumbnail 1 or 3 or any of the thumbnail as the thumbnail which will be visible to public even after the test is completed. For this, all you need to do is click on the thumbnail that you wish to keep as the public one, and then you have to set it. So now thumbnail 1 has become the thumbnail which is visible to public. But usually what I do is I keep the thumbnail which has gone through the test and which one is the preferred one or the one which is the winner as the thumbnail visible for public. So I am going to set thumbnail 2 back as my thumbnail which will be visible to the audience. So in this manner you can easily test and compare various thumbnails, and you can choose whichever thumbnail you wish to keep visible for public. So now you can see the thumbnail 2, which was the preferred one, has become visible. So this is all I have for you for this video. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.